Hi YouTube, this is Monkey. I just got home and I got a parcel and it is, I think, my basket. So we're going to do an unboxing and I'm in the bathroom and I'll be right back to show you what it is. Okay, here is my parcel and I believe it's my basket, so let's find out. This with one hand here, so it'll take a few minutes, maybe. And I'll open this side. Oops, I just need one more side here to go on my shelf, I guess. This is where I'm going to put it. I don't know yet. I'll probably do it on the weekend because I'm busy with work right now. So it's just been a long day today. Very long. Ooh, yeah. Let me get this unlocked here on this side. We can see what we got. There we go. Okay, sorry. Get to see nothing for a few minutes and then you see it. Yeah, that's it. My basket has arrived. Yay! I think this is going to look so cute on my shelf. There you go, Nancy. I don't know if I'm going to put it on the shelf because I was going to put it on the back of the toilet here. And I was going to put it on put my seashells in there. So I got to clean the seashells out, so I'm going to do that on the weekend. That's cute. I like that. I've been looking for a basket for a very, very long time. So where do y'all think it should go? The back of the toilet or up on the shelf? Let me know. I like suggestions. You can always let me know. And the other ones, I have no idea yet. But I will find something, I'm sure, to put up on there. Okay? Well, I am tired and I am going to eat dinner. So y'all have a good night and Monkey's out. Bye now.